So the activities of the Lord is non-different from the Lord. It's all transcendental. Naam, rupa, guna, lila. The Lord's name, Lord's form, Lord's qualities, Lord's activities, Lord's paraphernalia, Lord's abode, they all are transcendental. They all are absolute. They are, and therefore they are non-different. There is no difference between the Lord's name and the form, which we have discussed many a times. In the material platform, name is different from the form. Activities are different from the names. His residence is different from himself. But that's not the case with the spiritual reality. There, everything is absolute. Of course, that doesn't mean that everything is one. No, the variegatedness is there. The name is there, form is there. Name is name, form is form. His qualities are qualities, his activities are his activities. But they are non-different in the sense to meditate upon the Lord's name and meditate upon the Lord's form are non-different. Worshipping the Lord's name, worshipping the Lord's form, worshipping the Lord's paraphernalia, worshipping the Lord's abode are non-different. It's all, the result is not different, although they are different. That is another aspect of achintya, bheda, abheda. There is difference, yet there is no difference. Now what is the difference and non-difference is achintya, inconceivable. We can't understand how. That is the way to approach the spiritual reality.